Hey everybody, welcome back to CoffeeSometimesTea with Marcelo and Jen. Today I'm going to be talking to you about ChatGPT-4 and the difference, what it does between 3 and 4. So 3.5 basically just gives you a quick little rundown. It doesn't go as far in depth as the ChatGPT-4 does, okay? 3.5 is great to use all day. You guys can use it. It gets you to where you need to get to. But if you want to dive deeper and make pictures and logos and all that stuff, ChatGPT-4 is where to be, right? So we use ChatGPT-4. It's a paid version. It's $20 a month. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to build basically steps to a business plan, right? So I already had my prompt set up. So what are the essential steps to build a business plan? And then give examples with pictures. Let's see if it does that. Here we go. So there you go. Creating a business plan is a vital step in any entrepreneur looking to start, expand a business. Look, I just roadmap the business, get pro clothing. So what I'm going to do is while this thing generates, I'm going to go ahead and talk about our school that we have. So we've got a community. It's called School. We want to go ahead and have you guys join there. We're going to be diving deeper into ChatGPT 4 and coming up 5, and they just hinted on 6 coming out. So I'll be talking about that here in a minute. It's where we get everybody. It's like-minded people. We come together, sit down, talk about ChatGPT 4 and AI and how to use it in today's marketplace and today's world to enhance your guys' business, make life things easier. You know, if we could take some time away or actually give you some time back instead of taking time, wouldn't it be amazing? It'd be better for you to go get more clients. It'd be better for you to close more loans, more deals, more everything. You know, this works across the board, guys, for every and any type of industry. There's not one that it does not work for. So come join us in our school where we're going to give a free class on there, a class one night a week, and then a Q&A session on it. We're going to show you how to build bots. I know it's a little above. And then we're going to show you what app we use for presentations, which you guys are going to fall in love with. It's all AI generated. So come join us. The link's at the bottom. Click on that. And also while you're there, smash that like button. All right, so let's dive in. So ChatGPT, so creating a business plan. All I did was what are the essential steps to a business plan, and then give examples with pictures. So it talks about creating a plan here, creating a comprehensive business plan along with, so visual form. So your effective summary, right? You need an effective summary. Then a company description, right? Then market analysis, which demonstrates your industry. Okay. Organization and management. It explains what that is. Service of product line. Okay. Marketing and sales strategy. Funding requests. Okay. For seeking funding. Financial projections, what you're looking to do for the year. And the appendix, right? So now they're going to create it asked it to create some examples, correct? So there you go. So for the executive summary, so imagine a cover page with your company's name or logo or brief. So these are for people that don't know what an executive summary is. So the company description might be a visual. So kind of breaks everything down, guys. Funding request, the appendix could include snapshots. It kind of breaks everything down. There's a visual. This is how it represents the market analysis for a section of the business plan. So now, what you could do from here is, now you could do a please design, I can't spell tonight. Please design me a logo for my company above. Now watch. See, look how awesome this is. It's asking questions, right? So to design a logo best represents your company, I need a little bit more information. So it's like company name. So let's do a company name, right? So company name. Let's do Jackson clothing store. Right? Then industry, clothing, industry. Oops. Okay. And then what else did it say? All right, up here. Let's see, where did it go? So name of your company. Okay, let's see. Clothing store. Let's just do that, right? So let's do clothing. Then let's do let's see, what else does it say? What industry? Okay, clothing. All right, and then the company values. What are your core values and mission statements for your company? Core values. Let's see. Honest. Let's see. Competitive. Stability. I'm just throwing some stuff in here, guys. Oh, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm just throwing stuff in here to let it do its thing, right? What's the preferred color? Let's go blue, and maize. Symbol. Let's see. Are there any specific symbols? Star with lightning bolt and stars. Lightning bolt and waves. Let's do that. Do you prefer modern, vintage? Just do vintage, right? Let's do vintage. What's that bottom part? Oh, it's never trying to create. Okay, so let's go. So now it's creating the image of what I just put in there, right? I mean, check that out, guys. We got what you obviously gotta. That's gotta be fixed, but it says Jackson. So I mean, you could take this and give it to somebody and have this fixed right here. But I mean, that's pretty cool logo, right? So that's kind of the concept of what this could do. How it breaks it down and makes it so much easier for you guys to work in, to do stuff in. So like I said, don't be afraid of it. Embrace it. And like I said, in our school, we're going to chat about it. So come on, join us, and let's get at it. Well, again, thanks for hanging out with us tonight. I just want to say cheers and have a good night. Thank you. Bye.